Hi everyone! Welcome to our next project.
Welcome, welcome. So, what did you want to say? Do you know the season?
Didn't it just turn spring?
It did. And with spring, what happens?
We have lots of new birds that we'll be hearing. Lots and lots.
And we'll be seeing. So, we were thinking that this craft, it would be super fun if we created our own fun birds.
Oh, it's so shiny.
Yes.
I love it.
Me too. And I love the way Sharpies look when they're on foil. It just makes it so pretty. So what we're going to do is we're going to create our own birds, and then we'll show you what we come up with in just a little while.
The supplies that you'll need are Sharpies, foil, and string. And Miss Janice, does it matter what color, what side of the foil we draw on?
That is a good question. I think it's good to put it on the shiny side.
Okay, so we'll draw on the shiny side and then we'll see what you guys come up with.
All right. You know what? I think this one seems a little thicker, and I just noticed it's shiny on both sides. So what I'm going to do, since I folded my foil, is I'm going to put glue in it, let it dry, and then cut it out so that it'll be thicker. We hope you enjoyed this project today.
We can't wait to see what kind of birds you create using your imagination.
They don't have to look like the birds you see outside.
They can be super creative, all different colors, and all kinds of fun feathers on them.
So goodbye from CAATINGA.
Stay tuned for the next project tomorrow.
We love you guys.
Bye.
Bye.